In today's video, I will guide you on how you can hide a following list on Instagram. So let's get started. So now here we are on Instagram, and from here to get started is that you want to go into your profile right here, and you want to make sure that you are not in a business account, because if you are, then you should see a professional dashboard right here. And if you see that, then you would need to tap here on the three horizontal bars in the top right, and then go here into business tools and controls, and tap on switch account type and switch to personal account. Now, if you don't see this option, then it is likely that you are already in a personal account, or if you don't see a professional dashboard right here, as you can see, I don't have it anymore. Now, once you're here in a personal account, what you need to do next is to tap here again, go back into three horizontal bars, settings and activity. Now, in here, you would want to simply go into your account privacy, and you just simply need to private your account, because this is the only direct way that you'd be able to hide your following list or even your followers if they are not following you. So they would need to submit a request to you to follow you in order for them to be able to see your followers and following list. So that's the only feature that is provided by Instagram. So if they're following you, then they would be able to absolutely see your follower and following list. So yeah, that is the catch. So that's it for this video on how you can hide your following list on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.